Hello guys, today I'm doing a Krishna art for this Krishna Jayanti. So I've already drawn the art. I've took the inspiration from Pinterest. So I'm using watercolors here. I'm using blue color. Next for the cow, I'm doing like a very light gray and also adding shades. Like once it is dried out, add one more layer to create those shadings. Next I'm going on to the flute, the flower. I tried to do like a lotus flower. I'm putting the green, like shades of green little bit for the shawl of the Krishna. For the background I wanted like an effect of white, yellow, orange and red, like an ombre, but it came out very different of what I expected. As you see here, next with the fine liner I'm going to start with the detailing. Sorry, my hand is like literally hiding the whole video, but yeah, so giving the details for the flute, making sure all the details I draw. Now for the cow also I'm giving details, the eyes, the hair I colored with fine liner. You can use anything. I was just too lazy to use a sketch pen. Next, what I'm gonna do is draw the peacock feather. Now I didn't like how the peacock feather came. I'm also using these neon pens to like give an extra color to the jewelry and adding a little bit of centangle to the cloth. Now the tika for our Krishna. Next I'm using this gold pen to give the background effect. Now I don't like my borders to be blank, so I try to give details to it. So that is this, adding extra details, and ta-da, this is the look. Subscribe for more. Bye bye.